A very good afternoon to all of you. I hope that you all are doing great. I am also fit and fine by the grace of Almighty. So friends, today I have come here in this place. The name of this place is, this is in front of our building. You can see this is our building and we are sitting on this van, me and Arif. So if you watch my previous video, you know Arif very well. So if you don't know me, I want to shortly introduce myself. My name is Syamdi Islam Surjo. I read in class 9. I am 15 years old. Currently I am living in Dhaka, the capital city of Bangladesh. So friends, if you watch my previous video, you know I make video in outside. I make video in big field. But today I have come here in this field. When I was child, I play in this field. But I do not make in this field any types of videos. But in this time I get free time, and if you know the curfew is going, for this season I do not go to outside, and for this season I make video in this place. So yeah, this is a field, small field. So here you can see over there are many types of boys or childrens. You can see they are playing, and you can see on my behind there are lots of shelter, tin shed building, tin shed house. You can see. So over there are many types of building, big building. So if I try to express this self, on my behind there are two papaya tree, and we are sitting on this van. If I try to show you this van, yeah, you can see this is van. So our building is, you can see this, that is the building, is our building. We live in the 2 number floor in this building. So in this field this field is unused, because in this time in present in this field no people, no boys or girls, they come here for playing. For this season I have come here, and I thought I have to make a video. For this season I am sitting in this van, and then I thought I have to make a video, and I start my video. And yeah, you can see. So there are many types of buildings or big trees, you can see. And in behind of me there also, this is a tin shed building, tin shed house, and this is a construction building. So yeah, this is not fully complete. This building is fully not complete, but maybe after 1 year later the building is fully complete. Yeah, so you can see there are many types of children, they playing each other. And if I try to say you one thing, in our Bangladesh, in Dhaka, there are not available place to play football or cricket, many types of games. And if we want to play, we have to go far away from our home. So this is the true thing in Dhaka. For this season we have to go to outside, and we have to go to outside for playing. For whenever we get free time, we have to go to outside for playing. But in our Dhaka there is no available place in Dhaka. For this season we have to go to far away from our home. So if I try to show you this area close, so you can see there are many types of buildings, and in front of behind of me this is a tin shed building. So in our Bangladesh there are many different kinds of people, they live in the Bangladesh. There are rich and poor, and many types of people. They have no money for give their family properly. Yeah, for this season there are many types of people, they live in this tin shed. But there are many types of rich people, they live in this building. Like you can see in my behind there are lots of buildings, and many types of people there is, but they have no money to give poor people. For this season there are many types of poor people in Bangladesh, in our area. Yeah, so friends, I want to shortly see you this thing what am I doing. For this reason I make this video, and I want to finish this video in this time because my time is over. So last I want to say one thing. The thing is, so friends, if I mistake, you didn't care about those mistake because I am a learner, I am a beginner. You also can mistake in this way in this time, but I didn't care about this mistake. So yeah, I want to show you one thing. There are many types of hen. They are eating something, I don't know what is they are eating. So this is Arif, you can see. Arif also sitting in this van. Yeah, he is very shy. He feel very shy. For this reason he do not come in this camera. Yeah. So I want to finish this video in this time, and you can practice like in this way. If you have, many people think that I have no place to go, I have no partner to practice my English. You can also practice like in this way. If you have in your home, if you have any mobile phone, you can also practice like in this way. Yeah. So I want to finish this video in this time and practice English like in this way. Yeah, so goodbye.